Dinovic here again, my fellow wingers, and welcome back to the In-Swinger. There have been some great teams in world football over the years. Teams that have included some of the planet's finest players. Teams that have played the sport in the most breathtaking styles. And there are some teams that revolutionized the game and won the biggest trophies. So pre this, there's no obvious answer, but here's the In-Swingers pick for the greatest club teams of all time. As the title suggests, we will focus on club teams as national teams will be looked at in a separate video. Also, the most dominant teams on a global scale will be looked at separately as we stay in Europe for this one. Let's go. Manchester United, 1999 to 2009. 6 league titles and 2 Champions Leagues. Sir Alex Ferguson is Manchester United's most successful manager, eclipsing even great Matt Busby. Like Sir Matt, he has constructed 3 great United sides, and his teams have dominated English football throughout most of the 1990s and 2000s. They won the Champions League final in dramatic fashion in 1999 as they beat Bayern Munich 2-1 to complete a historic treble, and Chelsea in 2008 on penalties. They again did well to reach the final the following season in 2009, when this time they were outclassed by a wonderful Barcelona side. They dominated the game domestically as they won the league 7 times in that 10-year period, with a host of players coming through to maintain the team's high standards. Some of these players on the conveyor belt of talent include Eric Cantona, Peter Schmeichel, Roy Keane, Paul Scholes, Ryan Giggs, David Beckham, Rio Ferdinand, Nemanja Vidic, Wayne Rooney, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Edwin van der Sar. AC Milan, 2003 to 2007. 1 league title and 2 Champions League. The veterans of Milan proved to be a major force in Europe in the 2000s, if not always in Serie A, where they won 2 Champions Leagues and a league title between 2003 and 2007. Coached by Carlo Ancelotti during this time, the team was based on experience and defensive solidity. These assets proved invaluable when winning an All-Italian Champions League final against a similarly equipped Juventus team in 2003, as they won on penalties, and in 2007 when they beat Liverpool to win the final 2-1. By this point, the talisman of the team was the imperious Kaká, European Player of the Year for that year. The longevity of this team was also incredible, with some of the biggest names from that team being Paolo Maldini, Alessandro Nesta, Gennaro Gattuso, Andrea Pirlo, Clarence Seedorf, Andrei Shevchenko, Kaká, Cafu, and Hernan Crespo. Benfica, 1960 to 1965, 4 league titles and 2 European Cups. Being coached by the innovative Hungarian Bela Gutmann, Benfica between 1960 and 1965 were a force on the continent. They had been European champions on 2 occasions and runners-up another 2 times, while also winning 4 Portuguese league titles. Continental triumph came in 1961 where they beat Barcelona 3-2 in the final, ending Real Madrid's 5-year hold on the title, and again the following year in 1961 where Real Madrid were the ones to fall in a match ending 5-3 to Benfica. They fell short in 1963 and 1965 as they finished second to AC Milan and Inter Milan respectively. The star-studded squad included the incredibly talented striker Eusebio, Jose Aguas, Jose Augusto, Marco Luna, Jose Torres and Costa Pereira. Eusebio won the European Footballer of the Year in 1965 and was the star of the 1966 World Cup. They continued to be a major force, losing to a great Manchester United side in the semi-final of 1966 and losing again to them in the 1968 final. Nevertheless, they were the dominant European club side in the first half of the 60s. Bayern Munich, 1974 to 1976. 1 league title and 3 European Cups. The period of 1974 to 1976 in Bayern Munich's history was overseen by coaches Udo Lattek and Dietmar Kramer, and this was Bayern at their most unstoppable as they won 3 European Cups and 1 German league title. Immediately following Ajax Amsterdam's hat-trick of European Cups at the turn of the 70s, Bayern Munich repeated the extraordinary triumph of 3 consecutive European Cups of their own. These came in 1974 with a 4-0 victory over Atletico Madrid, In 1975 beating Leeds United with a 2-0 victory, and in 1976 where Bayern earned a 1-0 win over Saint Etienne. Their playing style of the time was based on the attacking sweeper role pioneered by the great Franz Beckenbauer, as he was supported by great players including the prolific Gerd Müller, Uli Hoeneß, Karl-Heinz Rummenigge, and Sepp Maier. This team formed the spine of the similarly successful German national side of that time. AC Milan, 1988 to 1994, 4 league titles and 3 Champions Leagues. This 6-year period from 1988 to 1994 saw AC Milan being coached by Arrigo Sacchi and Fabio Capello, as they won the European Cup or the Champions League 3 times and the Italian League 4 times. Their 3 European Cups came in 1989 with a 4-0 victory in the final against Steaua Bucharest, in 1990 with a 1-0 win over Benfica, and in 1994 with a 4-0 win over Barcelona. Arrigo Sacchi revolutionized football by introducing the pressing game, and in so doing, he oversaw the most successful era of Italian football in Europe. This was continued by his successor, Fabio Capello, when he moved on to the national team. The team contained the most impressive defense probably ever assembled, a hard-working midfield, and flair players up front. By 1994, the team had changed in part, with other high-profile signings replacing the original star players, but with largely the same defensive foundation. Some of the finest players from that time include Paolo Maldini, Franco Baresi, Frank Rijkaard, Carlo Ancelotti, Ruud Gullit, and Marco van Basten. Real Madrid, 2014 to 2018, 1 league title and 4 Champions Leagues. Between 2014 to 2018, Real Madrid made a significant achievement by being the first team in the Champions League era to win the competition in 3 consecutive seasons, a feat that had last been done in the mid-1970s and is much harder in the modern configuration. For this reason, this team that was managed by Carlo Ancelotti as they won La Decima in 2014 and legendary player Zidane as they achieved the hat-trick deserves its place among the greats. They beat Atletico Madrid in the 2014 final 4-1. Atletico fell victim again in 2016 as they lost on penalties. Madrid beat Juventus 4-1 in the 2017 final and Liverpool 3-1 in 2018. The team did not dominate domestically in the same period, winning La Liga only in 2016-17, but they clearly prioritized the European competition that this club has made their own and are now the undisputed all-time masters of it. The most notable players from this era include Cristiano Ronaldo, Sergio Ramos, Marcelo, Luka Modric, Toni Kroos, and Gareth Bale. Ajax Amsterdam, 1970 to 1973, 2 league titles and 3 European Cups. Widely known as the side that changed football, Ajax Amsterdam between the years of 1970 to 1973 dominated the continent, winning 3 European Cups and 2 Dutch league titles. The 3 European Cups came consecutively as they beat Panathinaikos in the 1971 final 2-0, Inter in the 1972 2-0, and they completed their hat-trick against Juventus in 1973 with a 1-0 win. Rinus Michels, with the help of the brilliant on-field orchestrator Johan Cruyff, developed the famous total football system with this Ajax side. Players interchanged positions, pressed the opposition and supported each other in an exciting, fluid football style. Michels then left to coach the Dutch national team, where he used the same system and the same core players. The star players included the brilliant Johan Cruyff, Johan Neeskens, Arie Haan, Ruud Krol, and Jerry Muren. Although no team interchanges in the same way that this Ajax team did, seeing that it requires enormous technique, fitness, and tactical awareness, it nevertheless changed the way that all teams approach the game to this day. Liverpool, 1977 to 1985, 6 league titles and 4 European Cups. The Liverpool boot room created an impressively long-lasting and consistent series of teams that dominated the European Cup for 8 years and launched a period of English dominance in Europe. The period of 1977 to 1985 saw Liverpool winning the European Cup 4 times and the English League 6 times. European success came in 1977 with a 3-1 win in the final versus Borussia Mönchengladbach, in 1978 with a 1-0 win over Club Brugge, in 1981 with a 1-0 win over Real Madrid, and in 1984 with a penalty shootout win over Roma. This time spanned a series of managers, although Bob Paisley was the most successful and the architect for what was to follow. A smooth replacement of players playing within the same system ensured continuing success. Kevin Keegan, for example, was replaced by the equally great Kenny Dalglish as he left for Hamburg. Some of the biggest names to emerge out of that period of Liverpool dominance include Ray Kennedy, Ray Clemens, Jimmy Case, Kevin Keegan, Kenny Dalglish, Emlyn Hughes, Graham Souness, Alan Hansen and Ian Rush. Real Madrid, 1955 to 1960, 3 league titles and 5 European Cups. Led by Alfredo Di Stefano and Ferenc Puskás, the Real Madrid team of the late 50s dominated world football. They won the European Cup 5 times in a row from 1956 to 1960 and 3 Spanish league titles. In order, these finals were a 4-3 win over Reims, a 2-0 win over Fiorentina, a 3-2 win over AC Milan, a 2-0 win in another meeting with Reims, culminating with a 1960 final where they beat Eintracht Frankfurt 7-3 in one of the greatest footballing displays of all time. With Miguel Munoz being the most notable manager from this period, this is considered the greatest club side of all time. Star players included Alfredo Di Stefano, Ferenc Puskás, Raymond Kopa, Paco Gento, Jose Santa Maria and Luis del Sol. This was a team of stars, an idea which has defined the club to the present day. In that way, the team bears more than a few similarities to the Galacticos side of the early 2000s. However, this team was much more better balanced and was much more successful. Barcelona, 2006 to 2011, 4 league titles and 3 Champions Leagues. The Barcelona teams that emerged between 2006 to 2011 played some of the most beautiful football fans have ever witnessed, winning 3 Champions Leagues and 4 Spanish league titles. The Champions League finals victories took place in 2006 with a 2-1 victory over Arsenal and in 2009 and 2011 both over Manchester United, with the scorelines being 2-0 and 3-1 respectively. This Barcelona team is simply one of the best that the game has ever seen. They played breathtaking possession-based attacking football based on movement and great technique, leaving ample space for flair players to express themselves. But most impressively, this is coupled with a strong work ethic that sees all players press the ball, run hard for 90 minutes and support each other. Effectively 3 great teams, each with noticeably different styles of play and different managers, namely Frank Rijkaard and Pep Guardiola, but with a core of homegrown players and a continuity of success. The greatest names from this time include Ronaldinho, Lionel Messi, Samuel Eto'o, Andres Iniesta, Xavi, Sergio Busquets, David Villa, Thierry Henry, Carles Puyol, and Dani Alves. And there you have it, the InSwingers pick for the greatest club teams of all time. I hope you enjoyed that one, and remember to follow us on the following social media platforms. And don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to the InSwinger for more football content. See you soon.